In this video, we will learn how to calculate average on one click by using the quick analysis in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here data with the heading of the name, financial year, financial quarter, sales representative name, customer amount, cost and profit. So here I want average in column. So I just select these two column, and here you see the quick analysis. Just click on it, click on the total tab. In column we want the average, so just click on this average, and here you can see when you click on the any cell, you can see in formula bar average function, but the amount is not properly comes here. So select the full column, press the control plus 1, click on the number, remove the decimal and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see now it's proper average amount show here. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.